Handheld devices may be used throughout the flight, however Bluetooth and other transmitting devices which do not to flight safe mode must be switched off for the duration of the flight. Larger items such as laptops must be switched off and placed in hand baggage for taxi takeoff and landing. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is not permitted. Seatbelts must be securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted and released as now shown. The exits to be used and brace position to be adopted in the event of an emergency are shown on the safety card in your seat pocket. In the unlikely event of an evacuation, leave all hand baggage behind and proceed immediately to your nearest exit. Life jackets must not be inflated inside the aircraft, only when leaving the aircraft. Pull down sharply on the red toggle to inflate it. Should it fail to inflate or require topping up, you could blow into the top-up tube. The life jacket is equipped with a light and a whistle for attracting attention. As we prepare for takeoff, please review the safety card in your seat pocket. Seatbelts must be securely fastened with your armrests down. Lap trays and seat backs must be in the upright position and window blinds fully opened. We hope you enjoy your flight with us and thank you for your attention. baggage from the overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out, causing